If you want to share a WhatsApp group link to some other contact, then what you do is open WhatsApp application, then go to groups, open the group, and if you want to share the link of this group, tap on this group name, and if you go down, you have this option invite via link. So select this, and then you have the option to either send this link by using WhatsApp application, or else if you want to share the links with some other application, you can select this option share link. So if I select the option share link, I can share the link through WhatsApp application, through messages or direct message, tweet, etc. And similarly, if I select this option send link via WhatsApp, then I will be only able to send this link through WhatsApp. So I will select the contact, and then I can send the link.